Weapons have come a long way since the days of gunpowder and cannon fire. With advances in technology, our arsenal of weapons has grown to include some pretty amazing devices. From blades to bows, modern weapons have the power to take down an enemy without the need for gunpowder. In this video, we will explore some of the most amazing weapons that don't need gunpowder, from digging deeper and bows to lasers and bombs. These weapons are sure to give any enemy pause. So let's take a look at the top 10 amazing weapons that don't need gunpowder. But before we dive into the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for watching more videos in future. Number 1. Slingshot Rifle Gun. The slingshot rifle gun is designed for outdoor hunting. This slingshot rifle gun is easy to operate, and you can shoot with your body while having a great effect on shooting. It is suitable for most slingshot, rifles, and other shooting equipment. The slingshot rifle gun and air blower can be easily removed. Suitable for sports competition, such as shooting, hunting, and so on. This gun is your best choice, and this gun can be used as a shooting accessory. In the meantime, this gun is made of high-quality plastic, which is lightweight and durable. In the meantime, the gun is a good choice for beginners and shooting enthusiasts. Slingshot rifle gun, with high-quality materials and strong. Number 2. APA Bows. APA bows feature risers unique in form and function. All bows in the APA line feature a patented bow carrying system and support structure that consists of a forward-facing strut that protrudes forward of the grip portion of the riser in an enclosed loop. The strut is center balanced and machined with a molded grip section to act as a carrying handle. The bottom portion of the loop houses the APA Utility Tool Center, which has a new cam lock press feature for 2009. This new tool allows the archer to change strings and cables without a bow press. The process is quick and simple, and may prove to be a lifesaver for anyone on an extended trip into the wilderness. Also found in the Utility Tool Center is a field-ready broadhead wrench, knock wrench, and carbide blade sharpener. Number 3. Lancehead F1. Lancehead F1 is simply the most compact high-performance crossbow on the market. Torsion drive time packs stunning knockdown power into pinpoint accuracy with the toughest limbs in archery. U-Tune-M integrated tuning system will keep you in the field and out of the repair shop, paired with camo swapping. Interchangeable camo parts. The Lancehead F1 is the world's first hunting-grade crossbow. Number 4. RSX-8 Sniper Rifle. It's not fair to compare the RSX-8 to your typical handheld slingshot. For a start, you'll be loading up the tension by anchoring it down with your feet and then pulling up on the rear handle. The frame and rails are made from SAE 304 grade stainless steel. The trigger release and slingshot mechanism from 5052 aircraft grade aluminum. The sliding mechanism includes 4 rows of internal ball bearings to ensure smooth operation during setup. Number 5. Adarini Crossbow. The Adarini is a compact 3D printed crossbow pistol that can be produced with commercially available 3D printers. It was developed by Lukasz Janikowski and is very popular in the 3D printer community. In the standard version, the Adarini's magazine holds 6 bolts, which are also compatible with a sliding Legolini. Number 6. Gamo TC35 and TC45. The new Gamo TC35 and TC45 are single-shot air rifles. The company claims they are capable of producing approximately 1-inch groups at 50 meters and producing acceptable hunting power out to 100 meters. You get an average of 15 shots out of every tank filling, Gamo tells us. Muzzle energy of these Gamo big bore air rifles is said to be capable of exceeding 150 at slash elves, with muzzle velocities ranging from 600 to 900 plus FPS, depending on projectile. The TC35 is intended for predators such as coyotes and smaller hogs, and the TC45 has applications that include deer, hogs, antelope, and other medium-sized game animals. Looks like we'll be seeing these new Gamo big bore air rifles at the 2018 SHOT Show very soon. At last year's 2017 SHOT Show, Gamo included an Evanix big bore air rifle at their Industry Day at the range event. Number 7. Umarex UX Exclusive Air Saber Elite X2. The Umarex UX Exclusive Air Saber Elite X2 is the renewed version of the Air Saber, and is similar in the aspect of it being a crossover between a PCP rifle and a bow, with which arrows can be shot. Hollow arrows can be slid over the barrel and launched by the power of pressurized air. This ensures accurate results and high velocities. The arrows can reach speeds of more than 450 mph, 137 meters per second, which is significantly more than most crossbows. TtT&x provided the UX exclusive Air Saber Elite X2. It now has 2 barrels instead of 1, which provides the ability to launch 2 arrows. The handy new crossbow lets the shooter switch to the second barrel after the first arrow has been launched, launching both arrows. Number 8. Mamba Reverse Crossbow. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is the newest addition to the arsenal of the modern hunter. It is a unique weapon that features a reverse draw design, allowing for greater power and accuracy. The reverse draw design also allows for a more compact size, making it ideal for hunting in tight spaces. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is constructed from high-quality materials, so it is durable and reliable. The reverse draw design also allows you to use a larger arrow, which increases the power and accuracy of your shots. The reverse draw also ensures that the crossbow is held in a more natural position, which makes it easier to aim and fire. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow also features a number of other features that make it a great choice for hunting. It has an adjustable stock, so you can customize the length and fit of the crossbow to fit your needs. Additionally, the Mamba Reverse Crossbow also has an adjustable trigger, allowing you to adjust the tension on the trigger to get the best accuracy possible. Number 9. Fenris Steambow. The Fenris is neither a traditional bow nor a crossbow. It is something entirely new. The combination of a magazine and a compound bow is an experience like no other and is highly addictive. Even with just a short amount of practice, any archer can attain high precision and accuracy and a previously impossible rate of fire. The basic idea and a simple prototype of the Steambow Fenris. Steambow picked the idea up and created the furnace of unique archery experience. Stable, light, and accurate, the Steambow Fenris can be mounted on most modern compound bows. Number 10. Pocket Shot Pro Arrow Kit. Shooting the Pocket Shot Pro Arrow Kit is simple. Pull the pouch to the rear and release. The author found this concept easy, but only after punching himself in the face twice. A traditional slingshot is aimed by looking over the top and setting the intended target between the 2 arms. A traditional bow and arrow are aimed when the string is back, generally against the shooter's face, and the eye looks toward the target above the arrow. The pocket shot seemed like a traditional slingshot, and physics being what they are. Upon release, the shooter's hand came back and hit him in the mouth. After a repeated attempt, it was learned that it's necessary to aim this product like a traditional bow and arrow rather than a slingshot to avoid a busted lip. What this represents is the learning curve with any new piece of gear and the importance of practice. Plus, simple trial and error. These are just some of the amazing weapons that don't need gunpowder. So next time you're looking to take down a target, consider using one of these amazing weapons that don't need gunpowder. Which weapon without gunpowder would you like to use? Let us know in comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your family and friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for watching more videos in future.